You guys want real? I'm gonna give you real. I'm never going to be able to give you Casey Neistat vlogs, and I'm not going to be able to compete with my friends that have 100K plus that started their channels way after me, and I give up. All I am is me. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning. I am heating up some french fries that I'm not supposed to eat. I'm only supposed to eat meat with my EPI or whatever it is I was diagnosed with last year. I don't care. I'm going to put cheese on these, and I am going to watch, I think I have queued up a Goldie Hawn movie. I don't even know what the name of it is because I have insomnia and I can't sleep. And the reason I can't sleep is because I still don't have 2 thumbs up to travel in my RV that is new to me, that I'm $8,000 in the hole on repairs on, and I'm scared to drive her. I've never been scared to drive since I've been out here on the road, and I have to get on the road, and I can't sleep with all of that going on, and I firmly believe in keeping on, and I don't feel like it. And I'm tired of trying to put up videos that are production videos, and I'm going to be doing those. I'm not going to say I'm not doing them at all. You're going to see one on Tuesday that I'm finishing up. It's my organizing and decluttering and downsizing. And no, I haven't been drinking. This is me. And I don't know, I may just start doing snippet videos, because just little snippets of my life, because when I'm like this, y'all don't get to see this because I do the polish stuff, and I don't know how life is going to go. Now my mechanic is referring me to some specialist for the drivetrain, and and I have a friend that got bee stung 25 times today. I have another friend that just got out of surgery. I have another friend whose tree fell on their van and their car, and oh, hang on. I gotta turn the french fries. They're like a little bit burning here. Hold on. Getting a spatula. So I'm gonna turn them. Oh. See, this is why I can't have open flame. This just dropped on my skillet. This is an ACOC. I think that's how you spell it. ACOC convection stovetop. And I really shouldn't be doing open flames, and I don't. And keep in mind, again, it's 2 a.m. And so I'm going to put a handful of cheese on here. And I'll show you how I do my lid. You can tell I've been crying and blowing my nose. My nose is even red. But I'm also determined to keep on keeping on. I don't know. I just, my friend David wrote an article about liminality. And I'll put the link in the video description. I highly recommend that you read it. Freebird, not Fancy Free. Freebird and I. And I don't guess I should have named her Freebird, because she's been anything but a Freebird. She's more like a Bertha Butt at this point. But Freebird and I, let me turn that off. We're in some sort of liminality, and that's the name. Well, it's not the name of the blog post, but that's what my friend wrote about. Look at this is my lid. It's another skillet, and I turn it upside down on that skillet. Anyway, he wrote about liminality. And when you're in that transition, kind of like the goo that I talk about, and you just have to stick with that. And y'all can see that that's my freezer and my refrigerator temps. Looks like my refrigerator temp is up. I need to check on that. Anyway, he wrote about that, and it's so kind of funny because I'm in this liminality, and so is Freebird. She's got all these repairs up $8,000 freaking in the hole on her, and more to come, and still can't get on the road. And oh, my stove turned off, so now you don't have to listen to that horrible noise anymore. And I don't know what's going to happen, and I just know that all I want to do is crawl under the covers, and I'm not going to allow myself to do that. Today, when you're seeing this, Sunday has to be a writing day for me to stay on schedule. And of course, my writing partner, who gets to dictate what I write about, she has me writing about fear. I just want to shoot her the finger. It's like, of course you've asked me to write about fear this week, but she gets to outline the book. And my job is to write what she needs to fill in the gaps and to create the book. And the book that's going to be coming out is How Being a Nomad Saved My Life. And I do believe it saved my life. I just need to get back on the road, and I need this freaking RV to run. And I love this RV. I love my life. I'm grateful for my life. But it's 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm fixing cheese fries. So that ought to tell you something. And I'm not going to give up. Okay, so there you go. I don't have an FNL drop this week. This is what I have. You get me in my pajamas, and reality, and I don't know. My channel doesn't grow. Like I said, I've got people that just pass me right and left, and there's a reason for that. And so I don't care anymore. Not that I don't care. I love my viewers, and I do care. But I don't care what I put up anymore. I'm just going to put up whatever comes to heart and mind, and this is what came to heart and mind at 2 a.m. in the morning. Might be a mistake, but here you go. I hope that no matter what you're going through, that you get up and you fix you some cheese fries if that's what you need, and you watch I think I see Goldie Hawn, and it's Goldie Hawn's daughter. And right now I can't even think of her name. Kate Hudson. It's going to be, I've queued up a Kate Hudson movie, and I'm going to have cheese fries. And I'm going to hopefully watch that and then go back to sleep and be able to write tomorrow. And y'all can hear Bandit back there in the back playing. He has no idea what's going on and why we're up at 2 a.m. in the morning. So this is Saturday, between Saturday night and Sunday morning. And by the time you see this, it'll probably be Sunday sometime. I don't know when I'll get up and post this. And while you're watching this, I'll be writing, hopefully. Hopefully I'll feel like it. It's hard to write when you don't feel creative and when you're stressed and worried. But I really just can't worry. I just can't. I have to turn it over, and I have to keep walking in faith, and I hope you do too. We're all going through a lot. Read my friend's article on liminality. I think it'll strike a chord with you. I'm going to go watch a movie and stuff myself with fries, which is exactly what he talks about that awkward phase. Okay, everybody, good night. See you down the road. Bye. And spoiler alert, the movie was about her dying and how she learned to live and love in the end. And that's all that matters, isn't it? So I'm going to go back to bed, sleep for a few hours, and get up tomorrow and keep on keeping on. Good night.